Hey my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please hit the subscribe button and turn on your post notifications so you can be notified when I upload a video. Today I'm going to be unboxing two hard to find Louis Vuitton items. Stay tuned. So the first item that I'm going to unbox comes in this box here. There's a little backstory behind this item. I reached out to several sales associates as well as online and basically stocked the website until this item became available. And then it was really early in the morning that this item was available, so I'm happy that I got to add it to my cart and purchase the item. So it comes in this dust bag here. And I purchased the Toiletry 26. This is a popular item because it's one of the lower priced items for Louis Vuitton, but you can also use this as a clutch, or you can convert it into a crossbody by purchasing a chain and the insert organizer to convert this into a crossbody bag. So for the purpose of this video, I'm just going to show you the outside of the bag, which on one side it's the LVs are upside down, and on the other side the Louis Vuitton is right side up. That is because this is one fabric that is just wrapped around to create the Toiletry 26. Here is the tab here. It says Louis Vuitton made in France, if you can see that here, and then it's just one zip, and here you have it, one open compartment for all of your items. Usually people use this for a travel bag, but I personally am going to use this for a clutch because I think it's super cute and you can fit a lot of items in here. So this is just telling you that it's a coated fabric, and this is the item number here. I love this bag. This toiletry pouch was about $4.25 a couple of years ago. Super cute. I will definitely have to spray the apple guard on here just so it will protect this vachetta leather from getting any water damage, water spots, and also protect it from patinaing really quickly. So this is the Toiletry 26. I absolutely love it. It's super adorable, super cute. As you can see, the stitching, everything is impeccable. I do recommend that when you do purchase things from Louis Vuitton that you inspect your items, especially if you're ordering online, because these are, you know, they are subject to have like any defects. So I would just make sure that your items are in pristine condition before you decide to keep. That's the first item that I am unboxing, the LV Toiletry 26. It is super cute and I love it, and it's in the monogram print. The next item that I'm going to unbox is one popular item that has been on pretty much everyone's radar for a while. And I just so happened to get lucky. I reached out to my SA and I asked him if he had one available, and sure enough he did. So I told him to put it on hold for me, and I went over there on my lunch break and picked it up. This item is a multi-pochette accessory in the khaki color. Unfortunately for me, I did not get dust bag for each item. I just got a dust bag, one dust bag, and everything is housed inside of here. So this is the dust bag. Now you have the coin pouch that has the Louis Vuitton monogram in the large size on this side, and then on here you have the monogram in the mini. This is super cute, and this is how you open it. And here it says Louis Vuitton Paris. For me, I would probably just put my AirPods in here because it's super small. I don't really carry around coins, so probably my AirPods will go in here. Then you have the second bag. It says Louis Vuitton Paris. This is the inside. Mainly can house like lip gloss, cell phone, or cash items in here. So I think this is super cute. And last but not least, you have the larger pouch. And here is the bag. You can see that it says Louis Vuitton Paris here. I will definitely be spraying this bag with the apple guard because you do have the Pochette leather, and I don't want it to patina really quickly. And then I also want to protect it from like water stains. And here is the strap in the khaki color. It says Louis Vuitton. It has a little star here. As you can see, it's in really good condition. And this is a really popular item. You can wear it on your shoulder or wear it crossbody. I will probably wear it crossbody because I like it that way. Here is the care pack, care information. And then in here you also have the gold chain, the gold hardware chain that you can put on the mat. So what I'm gonna do is put it together and then let you guys see it how it is together. So you're gonna hook the items here from side to side. It's just like this. So then you have the back like this, like so. And then you're going to add the little key pouch here, or coin pouch here, as you can see here. And then I'm going to add the chain. So I'm gonna add the chain on the larger hook. Some people add it on the smaller one, but I'm going to add it on the larger one because I want it to hang a little higher. And here you have it. This is super cute, super versatile, and I love it. I purchased the khaki color because I knew that fall was approaching and I wanted to use it more. The pink, it's pretty, but I felt like it would get dirty faster, and so this is why I opted for the khaki color. So yeah, this is the multi-pochette accessoire. I will be spraying the apple guard here and wherever you see the Pochette leather because I want to protect it from water spots, and I also want to slow the process of the Toiletry 26 in the Monogram and the multi-pochette accessoire in the khaki color. If you guys are interested in these items, please contact your sales associate or reach out to the customer service line or just stalk the website. Right now, these items are currently out of stock and hopefully they will restock. But when the Louis Vuitton website says unavailable, trust me, these items are available. They are just not available online. So it's best to reach out to your sales associate, customer service, or a personal shopper to find these items for you. Thank you guys so much for watching and have a good day. Bye.